Aman Choure, a Masai student. Right now, I'm in fourth unit, Java track. So I welcome you all on behalf of Masai to this great show placed by Masai. Placed by Masai is a show where we invite alumni and know their experience, placement experience, their Masai journey, and also experience after getting placed. So this also going live on YouTube. So guys, you can also take screenshot and post on LinkedIn and tag Raj Bhai. And let's start this special show. And so I would like to just know about you, Raj, and your educational background. So can you please tell us?
Yeah, hello guys, good evening all of you. So I am Raj Gupta. Currently I'm working in SecPod Technologies as a software engineer. So basically I'm from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, and I did my graduation in BCA from SMS Other Science College, Gwalior. So that's my educational background, and in my fifth semester I joined Masai school, and I'm from PT Web 4 batch, but I got placement in PT Web 6 batch. So this is a story
So
I will tell.
you are from part-time batch. Yeah.
Yeah, I am from part-time batch.
Okay, that's great. And you can you tell us that how came to know that about Masai? Means did your friend tell you, and from where you got to?
No, bro. Like when I'm in my fifth semester, what happened with me when I joined BCA?
Yes, please.
So I completed my first semester, and after that, COVID happened. So I got promotion in 3 semesters. So like I don't know anything about coding or anything like. Then I think like how can I get job in industry? There is so many competitions.
Means you are
Then
like a fresher, total fresher in when you join
yeah,
Masai.
yeah, yeah. So I saw a YouTube ad on my YouTube ad of Masai school. Then I came to know about, and I just see like after getting above than 5 LPA you have to pay. That
Yeah,
is my motivation.
that's a
So
motivation, bro. There
yeah,
are many. That's a real thing.
yeah. So
Many
then
of
I gave
students are there here also for that.
yeah. So then I gave MSET 1, and I cleared the test, and I joined PT Web 4 batch.
Yes.
So that's how I came to know about Masai.
So as you said that you didn't know about coding before joining. So how
Yeah.
you cope up with things when you got admission in Masai? In first unit, what was your experience?
Yeah, bro, I am not able to cope up anything. In first unit, there is basic JavaScript like if else or loop things,
Yeah, yeah.
just basics loops. Uh, Still I remember that in my last evaluation of unit 1, there is a question 2 prime number. You have to find that is a prime number or not. And I'm not able to solve that question also. Then I got async in first unit,
Yeah, you got
and 95% students didn't fail in first unit, but I failed. I got async. Then Masai people help me like don't think about async. You can we will give you one more chance, and you can start learning. So so
right.
when Masai don't have any batch at that time, then I have to wait for 1 month. Then PTWF 5 batch is started. Then I joined PTWF 5.
Yeah, bro. Means you got icings and also motivating. This is also motivating us for because you are doing great in your company. And can you means tell us means when you got progress in Masai journey, how difficulty level increase and how you change yourself with the schedule and adjust with time.
Okay, so I'll tell about my journey, entire journey of Masai. So what happened with me, because I am in fifth semester, so I'm not eligible for full time. So I got part time batch. In part time, my 7:45 it's system for 15 minutes only. After that, one class, it will be like 2 hours class.
Okay,
After
okay.
that, mentor session. So we only get one class, and on Saturday we get communication things, so like skeleton. So that's all. So after that, when I joined the first unit, as I tell, I got async. Then I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah.
able to cope up anything. Then after that, I started learning and practice all the things again and again. Give so much time of mine. Then in second unit, I'm able to clear things. But in again third unit, recursion and DP again,
Bro,
uh,
that's also.
then I'm not able to again cope up with that things. But still, I cleared third unit. But in fourth unit, then there is some different coding like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I don't know anything about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, like what is tape tag or anything.
Yes, yes.
So in first evaluation, I got an assignment where I have to make just a grid, some images. It's a very simple question, but I'm not able to do that. I got 0 marks in first evaluation. Second evaluation, I got 3 marks. Third evaluation, again, I got 1 marks. So, uh, yeah, I think, yeah. So, like, entire evaluation, I got 8 marks out of 30. So then I think like how I get 8 marks only. I'm not able to learn these HTML, CSS things. And everyone, like every friend of mine telling, it's very easy. How are you not able to do these simple questions? Then I say like I'm not able to do it. Then again I got async in fourth unit. But then again Masai people, my mentor is Moe Singhal told me async is not a failure. You have to learn again, and if you not practice anything, then you are not able to cope up anything, and you are not able to create anything if you are not practicing well. Then I think like there is some fault of mine also, like I'm not able like I'm not practice some genuine way. So then after I got async, again I started so my batch now is PT Web 6. So
Yes.
like I am senior in my batch. I'm thinking everyone is senior, like I am only senior and these are some junior people and asking me, bro, how you get async? How you get async? And I'm telling them, bro, I got async. I don't know why I got async. But then I practice well, and then again giving some time, like उतार चढ़ाव चलता रहा जीवन में. उसके बाद फोर्थ यूनिट में लास्ट कंस्ट्रक्ट वीक होता है. So in construct week, there is a 4 member team of mine, and there is a 16 team. There are 16 teams. In 16 team, I got second prize where I make a Fragile clone website. Then I get some confidence, like I can do anything. And after that, fifth unit, I cleared fifth unit. In sixth unit, there is a React. So in starting React, I'm not able to do some React question. I'm not understanding like how it is works, because I think we can make website HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then why React is there? Then again, I learned so many things
So means
about React.
you choose MERN stack, you are saying that.
Yeah, in part time you don't have any option,
Okay,
so
okay.
you have only MERN. So I only learning MERN technology. So then in sixth unit there the React. So in again like after 15 days I'm able to cope up with React. And that time also in sixth unit, I got first prize where I make Flipkart clone, and we got some prize money also from Masai, and that's the happy part of my Masai journey. In again seventh unit, we are learning backend like some MongoDB, Node.js setup. So in backend also I got first prize. Then I think like I'm able to get job. From starting, I am not able to think like I got a job of 3 LP also, because I'm not able to think that I will be a software engineer in future. Then I got into placement, and I got placement in 20 days.
Okay, 20 days.
After 20 days, I gave interview. Yeah. So it's been a 1 month I got placed.
So means your journey is very inspiring, bro. Initially, you are not cope up with things, and you also get asyncs. That's
Yeah.
also motivating. And then you got first prize
Yeah.
and the second prize also. That's very inspiring, bro. And can you tell us means when you got asyncs? Then when anybody get asyncs in Masai journey, then demotivation and depression, something like that comes with async. Means, what did you get some demotivate?
Yeah, bro. It's genuine. Like everyone get demotivated when you are not able to. Uh,
Hmm.
when you are fail in your life, you have to see these kind of stuff like demotivation and किसी भी चीज में मन नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या करें. Then after that सोचा कि लाइक क्या ही करूँगा अब, कुछ और देखता हूँ. तो पता चला कि VCS से हम एसेंचर में भी जा सकते हैं सिस्टम इंजीनियर के रोल के लिए.
अच्छा
देन
अच्छा.
आई अप्लाइड इन एसेंचर. So when I'm in unit 3, I applied in Accenture. I cleared some aptitude round because I'm like my aptitude is good.
Yeah.
Then I got selected for interview. It's the last round in Accenture process. So still in interview, it's a 15-minute interview, and the interviewer asked me, Suraj, do you know about HTML? I don't know anything about HTML, but I said yes because I see a YouTube video of 2 hours, but I forgot all the things. Then I think he will ask some basic question. Yeah, he is asking a basic question like, what is deep tech? And I am not able to think like, I don't know, sir. I just say I don't know, sir. Then some basic question like, what is your education background? And he rejected. And again, I think I have to, uh, I have to learn in Masai only. I'm not going anywhere in Accenture or anything. Then I start practice. Yeah.
Same with me, bro. I'm also learning here. And as you say that you got placed in 20 day. So how was your experience during placement?
In
How there?
placement, yeah, bro, when you got into placement, you are always thinking, why I'm not getting companies, why I'm not getting interviews. So what happened with me, I got first interview with a company, Twin Leaps, and I cleared 3 rounds of Twin Leaps, and in fourth round, there's a CTO round, and they rejected my CTO round. I think I'm not without CTO round, how they rejected me. Then I got to know about my batchmate got placed into leaves because he has a degree of BTech plus MTech and I am only BCA.
Okay. Means
So
degree
yeah,
matters during placement.
yeah. I'm not saying that degree doesn't matter. Degree matters. It's genuine. Degree matters sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't matter, but uh, always people thinking like why I hire same BA guy and same BTech guy. If I have
Excuse
BTech
me, bro.
CS guy,
Excuse me,
then
bro. I'm
yeah,
from your PT Web 15 batch, and as earlier you told that you are also from non-coding background, and I'm also from non-coding background. So,
okay.
what piece of advice do you want to give us, and so that we can carry on and we can't feel low sometimes because sometimes whatever we put everything online and that like every bit of effort, every bit of patience, but we do not get output for it as we put our effort. So what piece of advice do you want to give us?
Uh, can you come up with your again like question? I'm not able to understand what you're saying.
Actually, I was talking about effort and output. Sometimes we put our effort, but we don't get the output as much we put effort. And sometimes we get back, sometimes we fail. So how to not give up and how to continue and how to continue with our hope and just like these things. And as you earlier you told that you are failed in unit 1, but you didn't give up and
Yeah.
you continued and you get the job done. So how did you do this? And so you can give us piece of advice so we can learn things from that and we can have motivation for this.
Yeah, bro. So see what happened with me. I'm not saying that I'm not giving up. I'm giving up. Everyone is giving up because when we get failure, we think like we are not able to do simple thing, and I can't get job. So when these things comes in your mind, so we have to think about why we are here. So as you know, some nowadays, some thousand people, some not thousand, so many pupils give MSET, and not everyone is selected in Masai. There are some kind of student, like 200 or 300 student out of thousand of student. Like I got to know about one of my Masai friend told me like 17,000 student gives MSET, and we are like 160 student got selected in Masai. So yeah, we like completed first step. Then after you have to think like if you want to make your future good, you have to work hard. And failures are still coming because in industry there are so many like there are much competition. Like there are so many better people from you. Still you want job, then you have to work hard because it's a last thing.
That's
Agree.
great.
That help us very much.
Yeah.
And how did you approve it, and how did you get up, and how did you again tried and get success finally?
Yeah, bro. You have to do that because see, uh, if we don't get job and if we have to give up, then why are we here?
Exactly.
So that's all. There is no like particular motivation like that thing. No, like first motivation is like I want to get job, and second motivation when I signed that ISA and I see that amount like I have to give 2.5 LPA. If I don't get job, I have to like how can I give the 2.5 LPA? Still I know that if I don't get job, I don't have to pay. But if I don't get job, then what I do? I don't have any second option. And if I make second option, then I can't like go with my first option. So some people say second option is you have to have second option. But I say like if you focus on your first option, then you will able to achieve that.
अर्जुन के
Yes,
जैसा
very
निष्ठा.
helpful. It was very helpful for us.
Yeah.
That's great, bro. Means
Yeah.
after getting placed, means how you feel, bro? Means you are saying that you just focus on getting job and focusing on only that amount. But after getting placed, you just achieved your goal, bro. Then how your feeling was that time?
Yeah, feeling was very good, bro, because come up with two async and not able to think like I will be a software engineer and got a good company. Like got a good company. It's my company is product based company, and it's been more than 2 months, and I'm working on real time projects. So first thing, like when you get real time project in company, so means they are like your company's people and your manager thinks you are able to do. So then after so many things like like some of companies don't give real time projects to their freshers. They think like fresher can do some mistakes, so but they believe on me and I am doing good in my company. Yeah.
So you are right now in your project. In which type of project you are in? Can you please
Yeah.
explain?
So my company is cybersecurity based, so it's a I can't tell like it's
Okay,
a
okay, that's
yeah.
means how is the environment in your company? You can share means how you.
Yeah, my company culture is very good. My seniors are very helpful, and when I don't know anything, I just go to with my like I just go to my seniors and ask like I'm not able to understand these things. So they help you a lot. So if you are if you want to learn something, everyone teaches you. But if you don't want to learn, then you can't learn anything.
Okay.
So still like in Masai, what we are learning, sometimes you have to do these things, but sometimes you have to work on some things you don't know. So as I know I'm not working on so many libraries in React in Masai journey, but here in my company I have to work on some other libraries like graphing libraries that I don't know, but I am learning and I'm able to do
Package means package we cannot disclose bro there.
that. Package I can't tell you, bro.
भाई ये भाई मतलब
It's above then. It's above
से
then.
उनकी एज और लड़कों से उनका कमाई नहीं पूछते समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Yeah.
So and we can take some question also from the chat box. Uh, how are things now after chat GPT and Copilot? How is thing you can you please explain?
What?
Means how are things now after chat GPT? Means AI after coming AI, how is the market doing?
Uh, See, bro. Chat GPT is a different thing. AI is a different thing, but logics are from our mind. So if you tell ChatGPT make a simple code, then then ChatGPT can do. But if you want something specific, there we need humans, because AI is not that advanced that they are like people still get jobs. See, companies still hiring. Then don't think about ChatGPT or AI. Just learn your curriculum, and if you are better in your practical things, then you will.
A question about DSA is coming, bro. How you solve DSA problem, and how was your DSA? Tell me first, because
My
I'm also
DSA is
not that much good
being
in DSA.
being genuine. My DSA is very bad, because as I said earlier, I'm not able to do two prime number question, but I now I can do. But my DSA was very bad. In placement also, like I'm thinking like my DSA was very bad, because I can do some area of string question, some basics question. But then I think like how can I do that recursion DP question? But believe me, bro, in placements when you are going, companies don't think about DSA. Like still, as I see in my placement, 80 to 85% company didn't ask a simple DSA question also. Like they are asking some your curriculum related question, like what is React, and how your project is. These are the things. So don't think too much about DSA. Yeah, DSA is very mandatory, and
Yes.
still I am learning DSA. But don't think if I not able to do DSA question, because DSA is a not hard thing. DSA want practice, and as you see, uh, when you start your Masai journey in first unit, you are not able to solve that question. But after 1 month, you can see you are able to do that question in very easy manner.
Yes.
Like you can do. आंख बंद करके भी कर देंगे हम, ये तो बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि आप वो कर चुके हैं 2-3 बार. ऐसे ही सारी क्वेश्चन जो है वो अगर आप करते रहोगे प्रैक्टिकली तो हो जाएगा.
Hello, Raj. How was your interview
Hello.
in the company?
My interview was very good, bro. So in my interview there were 3 rounds. So first round is a technical one, second is technical 2, and the third one is CEO round. So in technical first round they are asking some basics of React and some basics of backend technology. In my second round again
Hello. Is a Raj Gupta's screen stuck, I think.
am I audible, guys? Yeah. So yeah, they are asking some deep question about my project, like how do you do that? How do you do that? Yeah, interview was very good. Though, like if you know your basics well, then you can crack into.
That's cool.
Okay, thank you, Raj.
We can also take some question from a chat box also. How you deal with your mental state when you do feel low?
Yeah, Gaurav Sapkar. He is my friend. Yeah,
Your
so
friend.
Gaurav is asking about mental health. Mental health, see, bro, when you are learning, so we are students. We have to learn things. So don't think about mental stress. And this is not a state. We are working for our future. It's right? We are working for our future. If we get job, then our mental health is good. So don't think about mental health. Mental health is always good. Yeah, but sometimes you are not able to do that particular question. You are stuck somewhere. Then you think I'm not a software engineer. Like how can I get job? These question comes in your mind, but avoid that, because they can't help you. You have to practice.
That's a great answer. Aman Patel is asking, what's your thought on friendship during Masai journey?
Uh,
How much friend do you have during your Masai journey?
Aman is also my batchmate. He's in placement. Yeah, Aman is also my friend. Yeah, so I have like more than 50, 60 friends in Masai. Friendship is very important because my English was very good because I come up with a like UP guy. You see, like I sometimes I often in Masai also I find Hindi people who talks in Hindi. Then I am able to talk in Hindi only. I don't want to talk in English.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, communication is also matters in your interview because uh, 10-12%, bro. You
That's not matter here,
that
bro.
doesn't matter, but I tell you, my 10% is 73%, 12% is 56%. I got only 33 marks in maths, 23 marks in chemistry, and 28 marks in physics. So you see, I am very bad in my studies that time.
Hello, bro. How did I help you when you got issue?
Devans, your voice is not audible, bro. It's cutted. Can you write in message?
Yeah, sure.
Hi Raj.
Yeah, hi, bro.
You told that you weren't able to pass the unit one. Was there a matter of time for that? Where whether you wouldn't able to give the time for the examples or not for solving that?
See, bro, when I joined Masai in first unit, I don't know basics because I learned C++ in my fifth semester, but it's been 1.5 year of COVID. So in fifth semester when I joined Masai, I don't know about coding, but I think I can learn because if everyone is learning and getting job, because as you see me now, I see so many people come in these alumni session and told about that their story. I see so many guys who are not able to like who got 3 Sings, 4 Sings. Still they get job. Then I think I got I think it's not matter. And in Masai there were mentors. If you do friendship with mentors, they will very help you. They are very helpful persons. Yeah.
And
Hello, Raj.
Hi,
You
bro.
have said that you meet that the friends who got 4 or 5 acings, but in Masai you will be only able to got 2 acings. Is that right?
Is that right? Yeah, it is right. So what happened? In my time, if you are getting 2 Sings in a same unit, then you are terminated from Masai. So now I don't know, like curriculum change and some rules are changed.
this
But
time,
yeah,
this time on all our journey, Masai journey, we have only two Sings.
Yeah, right.
This time.
these 2 Sings also not come. I will tell you. So we are
Does this
like
batch has async?
sorry.
I was asking to Sir Aman sir. Does
Okay.
this batch has the async?
Which
Now our batch.
we are from, bro, full time. We in our all Masai journey we are allowed only two Sings in full time. I don't know about part time. For this type of question, you can
I
ask.
can tell you in our batch we can only take asyncs after the unit 4 and only 2 time we can take async in the full Masai
Yeah,
journey.
you are from January batch, na bro? In January, because when batch start in January, there is no batch in February, March, in so that you don't allow to get AC. But whatever batch which are in October, November, December, they can get AC in first, second, and third also. Means
If we yeah.
yeah, I think I answered.
Hello, bro.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Bro, I have a
Question,
doubt.
please.
I have a question. Can I ask?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can ask.
Bro, could you tell me how can I improve my English fluency, because now I am having trouble to speak in English.
Yeah, see, English,
Yeah.
English you can learn in only one way when you start talking. So make friends in Masai,
Oh.
who are some like good in English. So you can talk with them, like you can start, yeah, some Zoom marathon things are also started. So
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
participate in them also. And otherwise you can make your friends like who know English better than you. So they tell you about your mistake, like what you are doing wrong. So that's way you can learn anything. When you start speaking English, you can learn.
Hi,
yeah.
Raj, Aman, a question from my side. So I just wanted to ask, where have you guys moved to? Which city?
I am a student of in Masai school, bro.
Oh,
I'm
you're still a student.
yeah,
Raj, you have been placed, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
I'm hosting
Yeah.
this.
Where? I mean, which city? Because obviously, I think it's not going to be your city, right? You said you're from UP.
yeah, I'm from, like, I completed my graduation in Gwalior.
Mm-hmm.
And now I am in Bangalore.
Right. So, what I wanted to ask, because I have a feeling that most of us might get placed in Bangalore, because obviously it's one of the hubs. All right. So, I want to know, like, how was your house hunting journey? Because eventually, all of us might come to that.
So bro, like as I said, I got two assigns, like in BAP 5 and BAP 6 also, like in BAP 4 and BAP 5. So my senior friends who got placed in Bangalore, so yeah. So I have like around 20, 30 friends in Bangalore when I get placed. So there are so many PGs. Like you can see like what's the company location. If you get placed in Bangalore, you can search on like it's my PG location, like it's my company location, and around your company there are not one PG, there are 10, 12 PG.
All right. So, there are ample amounts of PGs.
Yeah,
So, maybe like you can go there, stay for a month in a PG, and then you can look for a house for yourself.
right,
So,
right.
is that something so you're staying in a PG right now?
Yeah, still I'm in PG.
All right. Okay. Okay. So, that was my question. Thank you.
Yeah.
And
Uh,
how is your timing in your work, bro? You are doing sometime work from home or it's hybrid?
my timing is flexible, like there is no specific time like you have to come on 10 and go up to 7. My time is if I am late then I can go for 11 also, sometimes 10:30 also. And if I get like, so what I'm doing, like in morning I go office and I see like that is a particular thing I have to solve today, that particular thing I have to implement today. So if I implement like 6, then I can go 6 also. If I'm not able to do on 7, so I can go on 7. It's like it's not a specific. My company is very good. There is no specific timing.
And bro, one question also related English. How the English matter in a company, bro? Because everybody are saying about English here.
See,
So how
bro,
can communications matter in English?
I am also still learning English, and I get job. Then you guys can see, like, yeah, English matters in company. Sometimes, as you are in Bangalore, if the other person don't know Hindi, then they know Kannada. You don't know Kannada, then you have to talk in English only. So basic English, you all guys know. As you are learning in English, as you guys are talking in English, you have to give an interview in English. So they are also seeing in HR round, they are also seeing how is your communication skills. If they are selected on your communication skills basis, you are able to clear your communication round, then you can see guys, like you know English little bit. And in company you learn so many things. English also you can.
And
Don't
someone
think too
asking
much
for
about
your
English.
LinkedIn
You
ID.
don't make it hype of your English.
Yeah.
Hello, Raj.
My
I
question was
want to
from
ask a
Aman sir.
question.
Can
Yeah,
you
bro.
please share your LinkedIn ID, Raj?
Yeah,
Someone
yeah,
asking about.
yeah.
Yes, sir. My question is from Aman sir. Sir, basically, where are you from?
I am not sir, bro. I am a student in Masai. I am in
Uh,
fourth unit right now.
okay, okay. So, where are you from, sir? Basically.
I am from Madhya Pradesh, means Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh. Right now I am in Sausar, which is in district Chhindwara.
Yes, sir. I am also from Pandur now, so that's why I asked.
Okay, okay. I am a
Hi Raj,
student like you, bro.
Yeah,
I
hi.
also,
Who is this?
I am Shiva.
Yeah, Siva. Hi, Siva.
One question. I am in 6th unit.
Okay.
एक चीज पूछनी है, जैसे आपका रिवीजन बैच हुआ होगा उसके बाद मतलब प्लेसमेंट के इंटरव्यूज स्टार्ट हुए होंगे, तो मतलब कितना जैसे रिवीजन खत्म हो गया आपके, वो सब कुछ मॉक क्लियर हो गया, उसके जस्ट बाद ही कंपनीज के इंटरव्यूज आ जाते हैं या फिर कुछ टाइम लगता है, 1 डेढ़ महीना या फिर क्या कितना टाइम लगता है?
See, bro, like I am telling about part-time batch. So when you completed your like when you are in your seventh unit, you have to give IB round, and if you failed that IB round, you have to again give a again give a round. That's the IM. Masai team takes that interview, and if you cleared that interview, then you go into placement. And when you go into placement, uh, on your first day you get company, and after 7 days you get company. It depends on demands,
Okay.
but you are getting companies in 1 week. That's meant that's
Okay. Thank you so much.
Somebody says in chat box before that's how means career gap matters in
career gap.
during
Yeah,
placement.
I don't have career gap. I don't have career gap, then I'm not a right person to. But what I'm thinking, like if you have skills better than any person, and if you have showcases that skills or to your interviewer, then they are not thinking about career gaps. Yeah, they are asking like why there are career gaps. If you have genuine answer, like for that reason I have that career gap, then it's acceptable.
Okay, and I am asking about placement. How means how much in how much company you give placement interview during your placement time?
Like how many companies I give
How
interview, right?
many companies and when you got finally selected after how many companies? My English is also not good, bro.
Yeah.
You can
So
say that.
Yeah, Raj, how many opportunities did you get during the placements?
87, bro.
87.
You get
How
so
many
many
were cleared?
opportunities.
How many
Opportunities
were
are like
cleared?
on
After
LMS.
87 opportunity, you get placed. You are saying
See,
that.
no, not saying that. I interview for only two companies.
Okay.
First one is Twin Leaves, where I rejected, and Q3 also I am rejected. In third, I give SecPod Technologies interview where I got selected.
So what's the process behind that? You got the 87 opportunities and you only got
Op,
interviewed
uh,
in two
it's
companies.
my bad. Opportunities are like sometimes like opportunities are so opportunities are not a right word. So you are getting like there is a LMS like a LMS. There is a website of placement also. So on your that website you get companies like these are companies. If you apply on that particular company, so if companies shortlisted you and companies shortlisted you and they are inviting you for interview, that's called a opportunity. So if I say I got some around four opportunities and five assignments. Yeah.
Okay.
So you get so many companies, but the problem is like so many companies have some filters. Like I want a guy who has 70% in 12th, who has 70% BTech, or some filters like he is from like CS background or not. There are so many filters.
Means how much tough
So
is placement journey for a 12th class student? Can you please answer this question?
How much of is the placement journey for a 12th person? Bro, you are also learning, and these guys also learning, and I am also a student. So you are learning same thing as they are learning. So if you are able to achieve those questions, like uh, see, if you are able to uh, complete your interview process, you got same company, same curriculum. So it's not a different journey to 12th class students. Yeah, some kind of thing like if you're doing some degree or BTech, yes, you learn so many things in your college. But if you are not learning these things in your college, then believe on Masai. Masai will teach you in a better.
Yeah,
Raj,
and
Raj,
someone,
I have a question.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
I,
That
yeah, you can ask.
after okay. You can ask.
You can ask, bro. I don't.
After BTech CS students, what type of students will get more opportunities?
after BTech,
After BTech students who have done their in computer science.
okay.
After that, which
Everyone is getting an opportunity, but everyone is getting opportunity after BTech. No, I'm not saying that same like all companies have that filter like they want BTech. Some companies Some companies are come up with my side to tell that like I want only B.Tech guy, and other companies are looking for only practical guy, like who know practical things, who
So
have good
Thank you, Raj.
project.
Thank you. I got it.
Yeah.
Hi
mostly
Raj,
mostly in MNC
one question.
degree matter there.
Yeah. Hi,
I'm
Dharush.
in Delhi,
Okay.
so I want to job in Delhi. So
Okay.
is it possible?
Yeah, it's possible, bro. See, you get companies from Delhi also. If you want only specific Delhi companies, so when you get companies from Delhi, you can apply on only that company. But that's
So
not
sir,
a
can I choose the state
no. You can't choose. You can't choose like specifically like you are getting only Delhi companies. That's not a thing. You get
like a
all
Delhi,
locations from.
Gurugram, and Noida? So
Yeah, like when you are like when you complete your curriculum, so there is a form to got. So where they are asking like you are able to relocate. So
but it is not a compulsory, right?
it is not a compulsory like you are getting job in Delhi. And I do I can say that don't make filters if it is not important. If it is important to you, you want like job in Delhi for some specific reason, then it's fine. But you have to explore some cities also.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, hi guys. Good evening. I have a question. Hello.
Okay. Hi,
Yeah,
Preeti.
yeah, hi Raj. So my question is like, okay, COVID have subsided, and we're looking at companies asking from working from office, right? So again, in your batch, if I ask you like, is company still offering work from home, this kind of opportunities? And if they're offering that, like, are they looking into कि DSA कितना अच्छा है, या फिर they are looking into कि how good he is on coding? Like for example, some guys in every batch there will be some stellar guys, right? And those do very well in every curriculum that they have, and companies like our company is again giving some exception to that. If you have any idea regarding that, I'm
Uh, can you come up with again, bro? Like if the voice is not.
I'm sorry. मतलब, I'm asking कि, if you know, like in your batch when you get placed, do you have any idea like are companies still offering work from home opportunities, or most of the all companies are asking to come to office?
So nowadays, like if I say in a percentage, mostly 5 to 10% companies are giving work from home. Otherwise, all companies are want these is to, like these freshers on your location. Because and yeah, I prefer to work from office because in office you learn so many things practically.
Yes.
If you are working from home, if you have any doubt, you can't call your senior like I want that problem. But if you are there, so
Again,
then you can ask him. So yeah.
yes. Also another question, like before this, you were saying that my your DSA is not up to par. Like थोड़ा मुश्किल होती है DSA में आपको, ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे थे ना? But and
DSA,
company saw your projects that you have done, right?
yeah.
So where
DSA,
do you see DSA?
I'm not
Sorry?
saying that DSA is not important. DSA is very important too.
Uh,
Still, I'm like if you are getting placed also, you have to practice DSA because it's not about just getting job from DSA.
नहीं, my question is in that tangent. Like for example, when how the interview process works. Like for example, when you say that there are three technical rounds or two technical rounds.
Every company has different DSA.
Sure.
Like every company has different interview process. You can't like think like the same things. Like so many companies only taking one interview, one technical interview, and you are selected. Just a HR round. And so many companies there are three technical rounds, four technical rounds. So it depends on companies like management, what they are looking for, and how is their interview process.
Also, you said that you have given like four interviews, right? Four opportunities, four, five.
No. Yeah, four opportunity or four.
So I'm asking like how many interviews did you get to give? Like any
Uh,
ballpark figure?
See, I gave two interviews. So in first team leads, I got rejected in my fourth round that I told. And in second Q3 technologies in technical round two, I got rejected. Uh, and that is my fault. And in third round, I got selected in SecPod Technologies. In third company,
Uh,
SecPod Technologies.
if a company is rejecting you, are they writing an email like with details like why you're rejecting you, or just saying, look, oh, thank you for your.
No, bro, no. Companies are not giving specific feedback like how they are rejected you. Sometimes, but you understand, like
हाँ
when
मतलब
you
they are.
completed your
Yeah.
interview, see, when you completed your interview, then you have to think your answers, like how good your answers are. Like when I give answers, then that my second company Q3 Technologies, in second technical round, they are asking some questions that I don't know, and I feel very demotivated. Like I don't know that thing they are asking, and they are asking it's a basic question. Yeah, it's a basic question when I came to like after interview. So I think I know like I got rejected. So it's a gut feeling, as we say, it's a gut feeling when you give your interview. If you do your best, then you get a
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And one question is there, bro. Aarti is saying, can we apply for company using our connection, or is it mandatory to sit for interview conducted by Masai?
No, you can like the last process is getting a job. This is your target. So if you are getting job from your connection or Masai, you want job, that's a thing only. So you can get job from your connection. Masai is not prohibited like, but there are some rules. This Masai team told you. So you have to like.
After completing the Masai course, if we got a job from another connection, then we have to pay that money.
Right. That's right.
Oh, yeah. So that's it. And as you say, bro, you mean you give fourth round and then you didn't able to clear that. So can you please explain how the process is there, first round, second round? When was DSA come in that?
Yeah. In my first company, Tune Leaf, so like first round is a basic round, like what is React and how React works. Some basic question of React. In second technical round, there are advanced level question of React and backend.
Okay.
And they gave a assignment in second round. So I completed that assignment and got selected. My assignment also got selected. My like fourth round was CTO round, but they cancelled my CTO round because they hired my friend from my batch, and they want only one people.
And after all of that, there is a HR round. After.
Yeah, like it's not mandatory. Some companies are not going for HR round. My company is like I didn't give HR round. My last round was the CEO round.
Okay. As Yogesh sir say, Masai focus on holistic development. So
Yeah.
how the all things work for you in your interview, like communication skill, whatever the you are learning in Masai apart from coding and DSA? How?
Yeah, so in Masai, I learned so many things like how can you work in team. So as you guys know, Custard Peak is there,
Yes.
and pair programming is also there. So they are teaching like how can you work with a team, and they are teaching how to communicate. So that's why Masai helped me a lot my communication things, and some problems like I'm facing like when you are see when you are making some project and there are four team members in your team and one guy is not working, then you have to come up to take the leadership and you have to work. Like you have to convince this guy, you have to work it. Some problems, maybe the guy is facing some problems, but you have to take leadership. So I learned so many these things from my side.
Hey Raj,
Yeah, hi.
Who is asking? Yeah, you can ask.
I'm Aman.
Yeah, Aman. Yeah, Aman.
So my question is, suppose if you don't get any response from the company after completing the first round or second round, so you will contact your placement champion or conversion champion. So like you have given your best in that round, but still you don't get any response from the company. So in this case, what you will do?
In this case, you have to ask your placement champion like why the company is not responding. If I'm rejected, then tell me directly like I'm rejected. If your POC is not helping you, then there is a senior POC who helped you. So you
No,
can
okay.
mention
So
that person.
no. So I'm contacting to the first hierarchy, like POC or any EC. So
Okay.
she's saying that if you don't get any response, that means you are rejected. So what is the meaning of this? If I, although I have given my best in that round.
See, bro, like sometime it happens. Company is like rejected the guy and they didn't inform. So that happened, but don't think about that. Like if you go do your good, then maybe you get a good chance in your second company. So then be prepared and be good with your skills.
So it will not happen for only for the first time. Like it will happen for multiple times. Then in this case, how you will overcome this?
Then you have to talk with your senior POC about that, like on one, and you have to explain like these are the company I am facing these problem and why it happens with only me. So they will help you.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hello, Raj. It's
Yeah,
me,
hi.
Sachin. Did you
Yeah, hi.
solve your assignments completely, or you left some questions in the assignments in each unit? And did it affected your performance in the unit moment or some like?
Yeah, bro. If you're not
That's a
completing your
great
assignment,
question.
yeah, that's a great question, I think. Yeah. So what happened with me? Like as I said, I got async in fourth unit. So that time I'm not able to do evaluation. Then how I'm able to do assignments also? So I'm not able to do assignments also. So yeah, assignments are the real thing where you are learning so many things. Because when you do practical things, you learn so many things. So yeah, so uh, I am saying that now you have to complete your 100% assignment. But if you are not able to complete your 100% assignment, at least think like why you are not able to do. Because Masai support you in every way. Like there is a, I don't know, like what is in full time, but in part time there is a mentor. If you are not able to do your assignment, they will help you. They will ask like what is the problem, and if you tell that, if you attend that mentor session, so you got your problems answer, you got your solution, so you can do your assignments.
Okay, thank you, Raj.
Is is timeline matters in assignments?
Uh, no, my time is like it's 1 week for 1 week timeline for completing all your week's assignment. Yeah, timeline matters. If you are not doing these assignments in 1 week, then these marks are absent. You are not doing these assignments, and Masai collecting all data because they are don't think about that like Masai is not seeing if I post that empty code or see like I'm not doing these assignments, because if you're not doing assignments, uh, you lost that particular topic. So as I said, if you are working on like if you are learning that grid or flex question, if you are not doing that assignment, then you don't know like how the grid work, how the flex work, because you are not doing practical.
Yeah, assignment is very important, bro.
Yeah,
Understand the concept.
assignment matters a lot.
And
Sir, I also,
yeah, ask.
sir, in assessment, suppose the time was completed, but I submit one question after the 1 or 2 minute the timeline, then it will be considered.
No, it will be not considered. Masai is very strict and Masai follows military based training. So if you are late 1 minute, then they can't accept that code. Make sure if the evaluation is for 3 hours, you have to complete that task in only like 2 hours or more than like more 2.5 hours.
Yeah, now we are now we are having card system, right? Means at your time is there card system for
No. On
assignments?
my time is so there is no card system.
Like we have like something like that. If we have 8 rate card, then we got async. and that card come if we didn't complete our assignment in whole our that month, in whole our unit. So means we have chance. I am answering also Purushottam question. If you do not able to do assignment on that particular week, then you can also attempt that after that week. But in evolution, you have to attempt that only that timeline. After the time evolution is not counted. And for assignment, you can complete between that unit, but focus on complete on that timeline first. Then your card will decrease. But if you get 8 card, then you get asyncs. That the
Sir,
now
is
So that's
sir, the
why
8 card for 1 unit or for whole Masai journey?
for 1 unit, when you got promoted, then your card reset to 0. And if you got 2 green card and 4 green card, then you also get some reward and bounty coins. I mean, Masai also reward for great performance also there.
yeah, so these are the new things happening with Masai
Yeah,
now.
Masai is
But
involved.
on my time, there is no like thing,
Yes,
right?
sir. So means the total 8 card for the 1 unit all.
Yeah, in 1 unit. Whenever you you can check also in Gmail that card system you got mail about related that you can check all the guidelines about that.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening, Raj.
Yeah, good evening, bro.
Bro,
Yeah, hi, Sarvesh.
I wanted to know that if there are 10 problems in one assignment and possibly we fail to complete one question, but rest of the 9 questions are being completed. So will that affect our performance or in unit movement?
No, bro. It doesn't affect on your unit movement because there is a specific, I don't know percentage, but I think like 60 to 70% you have to complete your evaluation. And but I will give you advice one. If you are not able to solve that one particular question in 10 problems, then after completed your evaluation, you have to go again for that particular problem.
No, not asking for the evaluation. I was asking for the assignment.
No. You have to complete. I don't know about that answer. Like Aman, like
Yeah,
explain
if
some
you are
percentage.
attempting that question and you tried by yourself, means whatever you can do, then it's not that much.
So it's kind of 70% if you are done, then.
मेरी भी भाई इंग्लिश अटक जाती है बीच में.
So you are saying that probably out of 10, 7 questions are attempted, we are good to go.
Yeah.
Sarvesh, we have to do 80% of the total assignments, whatever may be the questions.
Yeah, I don't know about that though, because yeah. So as that as said, like 80% you have to done means you have to complete 8 questions.
Okay. Thank you.
And you are attempting a question and not able to do, then that's also good, bro. And I have a question, Raj. Apart from Masai, when you are learning, are you refer another site like YouTube and another platform for learning extra thing?
Yeah, I do that because yeah, like see, when you completed your class, you got about some idea what the topic you are learning. But if you want to some advanced things, then you can go for your mentor. And if you are not learning there, then you can refer YouTube also. It's not a bad thing. But the main thing, you have to complete that topic.
Yeah. If we have to learn from our side also.
Yeah.
Not rely on Masai. You are saying.
Just make sure like you are completed your curriculum.
Sir. During placement process, is theoretical part of the whole journey is matters.
Yeah, bro, that is the part. Theory is also matters a lot, and practical also matters a lot, because sometimes see what I told earlier. Every company has a different interview process. Some companies is believing on practical things. Some companies believing on theory part things. So don't go with only one thing. Just learn practical also and theoretical part also. See, if you are able to do that thing practically, then you have basic idea of theoretical. You can make that sentence or some one liner, like not one liner answer. Don't use one liner answer. Yeah, so you can make that answer also from your practical things.
That is. Oh, same their time. We are running out of time. So, but station is got interesting, bro, with time.
Okay, guys.
So, okay. To
Thank you, Aman. Thank you, Raj.
thank you
you so
guys.
much, guys.
The audience is very
Thank you.
interactive. So that's a great feeling.
We will hope we will also on their place in the coming days.
Yeah, all the
Yeah.
best, guys. Keep
Sure.
learning and keep practicing.
Thank you, Raj.
And
Thank
you
you.
all get great.
I also get opportunity this time, bro. Means I am first time hosting this show, and I am very nervous.
Yeah, great.
In 10 minutes, I drink 4 glass of water, bro, because joining. Means you
It
can
was
see.
very nice session.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You were a great host, Aman.
Thank you,
Is this
brother.
opportunity provided to all Masai students?
Yeah, every Masai student can get. I get this opportunity because I participate in Masai Got Talent. So in that group, there is a Ritu ma'am also added. So Ritu ma'am asking for who want to host the place by Masai. So they are most of the students are busy with their curriculum. So I also feeling nervous that time because when I perform first time in my first unit, so I stuck when I perform song during that EC Connect. There is a EC Connect, so I stuck and every means that time. But when I perform Masai Got Talent, I perform very well, and then I think that it's a great opportunity me to talk, interact with Raj Bhai, and also overcome my fear. So I just said yes, I will do, and I just prepare watching YouTube how to host means how to introduce. We have to provide reason something like that, and whatever I did, I don't know also that much English.
That was good. That was
No,
good.
Aman, you did a great job.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you. I think you all guys enjoying this session.
Yeah.
And
So yeah, man, we are ending that session, right?
yeah. If anybody want to ask, then we can take one more question because the session is getting interested. We can extend it by 5 minutes also.
Yes, sir. Please provide 4 to 5 tips for unit first.